Mama wakwaba wo frame Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Wo suku ni akura wo hia ni ba maami a wutie me sister wutie me wo busuam ehia wo na oba bi na unue bi ewo ba wo be ko school na ukoto aba ma NDC saa wo nsem nu keka na o mo keka na etom tirim mo de 2024 dem di chamuni 2023 dem di chamu enti na adwumi video Ghana fo ehia fo a moto nkwase ba enyafo a wonto aba ma obi nye bibi obi meche sika ma obi emeye bibi o Ghana a mo sori a mo de economy ne kasa enyafo a mo hu Akufo da mamuo mu message amedi cha mo ni ndo mama 2023 am de mama ya ti Ghana no enyafo bebre de ntia wo hia dokro Ghana a wo hia dokro abusua bi ama abusua bi hu krachi ni wom suku die ntia abusua bi hu krachi ni wom a abusua bi aya adane bayi abusua se abusua de o ma bayifo school ndire mu de mu kodi NDC fochi na jo mama be president ne ti Ghana jo mama be president na mu ti Ghana fo mu yade awurofie amade jo mama tam eno ma bo ene ekoto aba jo mama be president ne ti amoma school fees jo mama be president na school choko kra ne tobi ma teacherfo a wono be ka fresh che wasem say wo ba fresh che na ye be ni say hey, can't you shut up NDC people NDC for more shut up jo mama himself shut up mo ka jo mama say on shut up o Ghana mu the Ghana for ni me yade ene edi social media praise jo mama some of us yanko praise jo mama enko destroy ba umia yanko presi jo mama enko destroy Akufo do me na make a tell you matter Ghana ayeden ekromi ya ayeden papa ekromi omu ayeden yentua obi ba school fees eno ma board tene ukodi twa wontimi ntade ade ye 50 no eye 150 ekromi ya ndemo de amontre Ghana ho na mama jo mama trinye kono na di tri also so that say more than be the president na Ghana no jo mama di president nurse for ni etua mo katam 3 corona ba mo kwatre fia na Akufo do tua mo ka esa ma mo bonus e teacher for e soldier for police for am mako school na NDC for tua mo ka esa tua mo school fees mo kwato aba na jo mama ntira do to ayampia na nyame say Ghana say mo yade Ghana for me de menti Ghana for bi atem ewiase aye awotra be wiase hwebronya de abudi bronya na mo wo hieni ba wo ti school jam wo ti classroom wo hieni ba wo ko school wie obeto aba mandisi wo hia awotra be ka no obusua ye di ensi wo busua mu da na mega tremo wo hieni ba bi abeto aba mandisi wo ko free SHS wo se woni abeto aba mandisi me say antwa en
square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting, and you intentionally block it as a name say Jimmy no. That is John Dramani Mama. Or can kwasi asem. John Mahama kanyansa sabe kafa nyansa enim na dwene nya adwuma. Apetition na one no unsa apetition no madu ba bi ese wadwene. That is what is happening to John Mahama. Or bodamba. John Mahama no or bodamba and kakra wan hwe ya wan do oba run ho gina stage no run ho or bodamba. His brain is not working. Listen, that apomudin. Like I said, I was trying to prepare myself, but I can't. Yeah, healthcare apomudin is the most important thing to any country, unless you belong to NDC and a healthcare in the papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians not come home. Utie, me chremo. Free maternal care. Ye di ja woman wo gu no cause on tisa niama na se enye no ne forte. Very stupid man is he. Ono unfair bi ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That is stupid man. Onye nyame. Na me kwesi apia we penny na wambu ho a don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We are penny now with the every chance be a ubenya be obanuma petesia betena social media betena radio so akan kwasia samwa ya beka tronsa wo kwasia Ghana for electricity uso wada ni odwan funu ene abo odwan funu person obedi Ghana for so na Ghana for ni bi kura flag John Mahama will come again nyame ntia moka mo kwasia mpafo na mo pesa Mahama eba back to power ni na nyankopon tuatua moka maako mo back of free education o mo faili o munya F o mo ko munya J flat. Especially NDC for no man, moon fairly free education, this cosmo flag bearer and not Jenny Yajuma. A dear Buamun, one no see us or you're here for a party. Who be silent to say, oh, the other man here for will be. Again, a competent man touts their achievements. They don't count uncompleted projects. Now, before I remember education, we so nothing I'm a soldier because education, they were attacking education and health. Are you attacking me? Because the free education is benefiting me. So anybody that attacks it, I will attack you, including John Darega Kromfua Mahama, Airbus Embraer thief, criminal man. John Mahama, or no kwana person here do cocaine. Yeah, fa baby a president eko town na buruchire. Jimmy for that's who he is. And anybody that support John Dramani Mahama is equally as foolish as his master. When you see free education and you tell me that is not a good thing, but we should rather share the money for people in houses, what Jimmy for? That is why somebody like Ebenezer Gomado, so Houdino. You see the name? Very foolish boy. Kwasiampeni power you join funu krache Mahama name. Jimmy akwasiampa for we na Mahama ka tro mu so mu tutu o mu sini na mbro mbetu akono because Jimmy for Mahama pension na buwa bi sa no wontumi nko school. Nkwasiafo bi so sa no wo se ntamoa wo ko voter regional wo mo sabe predia se bi no mfa nchame wo mo sa moa NDC fo no mu wo ko ba bi a NDC fo no wini na wo se ntamoa wo mo sa moa wutie wo mo sa moa so ntumi nhwe wo mo mani na adane am robbers edisa kwasiampani bi ba begina ba be kan bi a choma no mo esom they don't research you are a fool. And your John Dramani Mahama has shown the reason why he will never become president again in Ghana. John Mahama becoming president in Ghana is just as equal as saying that everybody in Ghana is a fool and they are no longer right-thinking people in Ghana no more. It doesn't make fucking sense. You might like him as a person. He might be a cute man. Maybe an hoya, but we're Jimmy. Mahama we Jimmy or Kasa on Jin because or can't quasi assembly we are and son was in a crank quasi assembly in a market. Now Otimi can't quasi assembly because I quasi am powerful coachphobia and paid my from Ghana for Nibi. Eh? So. Obi went to me ama talk. Or no to me gods kwa kase eduane a yede ma yemma ono ne nkraman kura ni. Nenkraman kura indi. But I have a good news for Don Dramani Mahama.